I have the largest American flag producing clean energy. I do still have it, right? It is still the largest one, right? As of today? Okay. Hi, I'm Shelley Maple-Jambon. I'm the owner and operator of Surway Supermarket in Grand Isle, Louisiana. I purchased the store from my dad 2 years prior to Hurricane Katrina. Hurricane Katrina hit in '05. We took in almost 3 feet of water in the supermarket. I took in 89 inches in my house. But the good thing is I had 4 walls and a roof to work with, or a partial roof to work with. My goal was 3 weeks. I said, I can have this store emptied out and flushed out and cleaned out, and we can be back up and running in 3 weeks. They sent me 11 National Guardsmen, and they were the prettiest sight on the back of that truck. And because of the bridge being out of kilts and we were not able to get the big equipment in when we needed it, it did take us 5 weeks to get it back up and running. Understand that when those National Guard people show up to save your butt, you're really feeling that sense of pride. So when I was approached about doing the solar panels and the solar energy, it sparked some interest. I said, but the entire clincher for the deal was when they told me it was going to be the largest American flag in the world. When we first looked at the numbers, it was too good to be true. I was very hesitant in the beginning. I'd have to say I was really negative at first. In Grand Isle, even plastic rust. Like I told him, I said, there's no way you're going to convince me. I don't have time because I can't get the green beans on the shelf and fill out the paperwork. Eric with Next Energy wouldn't stop calling, wouldn't give up. He's very persistent, but he came in and offered us some incentives to meet the challenges of, possibly having to change out the roof. I was leery because I didn't know if I would have time to devote to it, and what did I know about roofing and the solar panels. I needed to lower my light bill. It was eating my lunch, literally. And so we needed to do something to help, with the roof in our 102-degree heat outside. The coating came in. I needed to stop the high electric bills. The LED lighting really helped. It brightened up the store. It took a lot less lighting. It was just a good, clean look. The roof coating has made an immense difference. Then when we found out it would help, with the clean energy, it was kind of a win-win for us. The Next Energy also installed the first electric vehicle charger on the island. It's also something kind of that we didn't think would take hold right away, but it really has. Next Energy wound up coming to me and handling just about everything. They were pretty much in and out. Everything was handled in an excellent fashion, surviving a few storms that kind of halted the progress of them in doing the installation. Other than that, it was pain-free, and the savings is, which is where the proof is in the pudding. The incentive process, it wasn't cumbersome, it wasn't filled with a lot of paperwork, and they were there for us. They helped us through the process and walked with us step by step. Through energy, the USDA, and the federal tax incentives, we received 77% for our total project cost. And the savings still today on the electric bill are immense. It's been an excellent decision. Basically, it's him notifying me if there's a problem, not the other way around. I didn't have any stress whatsoever from him, and that's very unusual. The skepticism was high in the beginning. In the end, it was a walk in the park. I would encourage more and more of my fellow grocers to reach out. They know what they're doing. As my dad would say, they've kind of got their crap together. I was negative Nancy in the beginning, and I can't find anything bad to say about it. A lot of people say that Grand Isle is the end of the world. Well, I wake up here every morning, and I like to say it's the beginning.